I just want to start off by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who have subscribed to Monster Truck Classics, and also to viewers who have been tuning in for the first time of my videos from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. Thank you very much, and a special shout out and thank you to MONSTERJAMOCD for liking my channel and for tuning in. Thank you very much. It means a lot coming from you, who is now a promoter for the Spin Master Monster Jam series. So congratulations to you. And now we're gonna unbox the Champ Ramp Freestyle Son of a Digger playset. It comes exclusive with a Son of a Digger Spin Master truck. On the box we have, well, of course, Son of a Digger. Then there's Max D doing a backflip. There's Monster Dalmatian coming for the ramp, and then over here we have the El Toro Loco, and back there the Son of a Digger flying through, coming at ya. On the side of the box we have the Zombie Madness playset, and then on that side just has the Champ Ramp Freestyle. On the back of the box, here we go. Flip it, crash it, jump it, smash it, do it again. We're gonna see what this is, how good it is. Slam down to launch. So it's something like Hot Wheels. There's number 2. Number 3, Son of a Digger. Here's the contents. 1 Son of a Digger Monster Jam truck, 1 launcher, 1 sticker sheet, 1 6-inch track piece, 6 ramp pieces, 1 launch stabilizer, 1 instruction sheet. Well, let's go ahead and unbox this big Champ Ramp Freestyle Son of a Digger playset. Better set the Son of a Digger truck down first. So as you can see, that's what it looks like, all boxed up. We got a launching thing to launch the truck. We got parts. We have flip ramp, it looks like. Flip ramp, stickers. This big piece. Another flipping ramp looking thing. We got the Champ Ramp Freestyle instruction guide right here. Let's take a look at the Son of a Digger Spin Master's version of this Monster Jam truck. Like the blue wheels and rims. The chassis ties in with Son of a Digger. This isn't my first time I've seen Son of a Digger doing an unboxing video. I did one with him in the Double Down Showdown 2-pack, which came with the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, so you can check that video out if you haven't already. And if it will focus, we'll see the graphics of Son of a Digger. We got the driver, Ryan Anderson, in there. The blue lights for Son of a Digger, the flames. And then up top. There we go. With the graphics. Alright, let's move on now to setting up this Champ Ramp stunt ramp. First off, we gotta put these 2 stickers, one on one side right here, and then one on the other side. This is what the stickers look like on the launcher. One on one side and one on the other. We have this piece right here for the truck to go on, so we'll just put it like this. Onto this piece, if you're left-handed, you'll put it on the left-hand side. You can see the arrows. Or if you're right-handed, you're gonna put it on the launch on the right hand. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use my left hand. So that's what it looks like. On to building the freestyle course. Up next, we're gonna get this piece. Put it right here. Get this big launch pad. onto this piece now. Then it'll be going on here. Onto this piece now over here that has the arrows pointing up. We're going to turn this just like this and put this right there. Now we're going to take this dot ramp, put it right here. Then we're going to take this piece, the arrow, it has the Monster Jam logo on it, and it's just going to go right in here. So we got the launcher set up with the extension of the dot launch pad. We got the truck. We got the freestyle course all put together. So do a little spin. What it looks like. Looks like a lot of fun, so let's try it. Check some of these stunts out with these ramps. Slam it down. Whoa! Almost a backflip by son of a digger. Oh, almost. Oh, almost. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice landing, but he didn't land on all 4 tires. We're going for the middle ramp, so see if we can land a backflip here before I end the video. There we go! That's the way to end the video. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Champ Ramp Freestyle Playset that came with the exclusive Son of a Digger.